entre CERN et Lancy-Bachegard. Service de bus entre Lancy-Bachegard et...
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and here's a few videos from my prize trip to CERN. Once we landed in Geneva, we immediately needed to cool down, so went for a swim by this beautiful castle. We then had some dinner, trying to contain our excitement for the next day's events, and I spotted this man who was clearly equally as joyful. In the morning we had some free time, so looked around the Science Museum on Lake Geneva. Here is a very old electron microscope, and as you can see in this clip, James conducted some groundbreaking research. We then grabbed some lunch and headed over to the main event. We started off at CERN Science Gateway to learn about the workings of the detectors and accelerators. Here is a very impressive Lego model I spotted in the entrance. So here we did a lot of interactive learning. Here is me learning the function of each layer of the Atlas detector, and here is me trapping some antiprotons. And here is Mr. Robinson virtually floating in the Atlas cavern.
He's floating in space.
We then watched a few presentations, one at the synchrocyclotron, CERN's first accelerator, before heading to the Atlas control room, where we saw data from live collisions come through, and learnt about the day-to-day work of the research students showing us around. Finally, we went to the factory where physicists study the nature of antimatter. Here you can see a deceleration ring, ELENA, which slows down antiprotons for capture, and also G-bar, studying the behaviours of antimatter under gravity. Since returning from Geneva, I've watched lectures on the engineering challenges CERN will face if they build the bigger FCC collider, and also applied for my degree in engineering. Overall, it was the most incredible experience and I learned so much. I really hope to get the opportunity to return.